Hi all. Good morning. What is your last class discussion?
Numbers and branch directory.
Okay. So this is our server. Okay. In this server, we have software dumps. Wait, man. SQL Server 2008. This is my database dump. Okay. SQL Server 2008. This is my exports.
Hello.
Yes.
No, we are not using Oracle.
Oracle installation. I will tell you the next installation system.
Okay.
Now I got a server, Windows operating system.
Okay.
Just 1 second. Windows operating system.
And yesterday, what you have done? Actually, yesterday I missed it.
May I know your good name?
Rajesh.
Oh, okay, Rajesh. Yesterday we discussed about the SAP directory structure.
Okay.
SAP directory structure, and we discussed about the in SAP we have a user SAP trans. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about the trans directory. What trans, and in trans what are the folders will be there, and what is the use of trans. Okay. And what is the data file, what is the core files, what is the transport request, what is the transport task, when data file and core files will be created. Okay. And how the changes has been moving from one system to another system. These concepts yesterday we discussed. Okay.
Okay.
So now we will see we have a Windows operating system and SQL Server 2008. Okay, NetWeaver 7.0. NetWeaver 7.0 means it's a dual stack system. Okay, dual stack means what? It's a combination of web stack plus Java stack, right? The combination of web stack plus Java stack. Okay, this installation will do, and okay, and next we will see Oracle installation. Okay, we'll see which SAP version we have available, and based on Linux we'll see the second installation. Okay.
But before installing, can we discuss the whole procedure? Means how we have to go, which parameter, environment variable we have to set. So before we can discuss that thing, and then after we will be installation, it will be better.
Your voice is a little bit disturbing.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Actually, before
Yes,
installation, we can.
guys.
Yeah, before installation, can we discuss means how things will go on, which parameter we have to set, means which environment we have to set, and how the installation we will do. So before we will discuss on this, and then after we will do installation, it will be better, I think.
This is empty server. Okay, there is no pre-steps has been touched right now. Okay,
Okay.
so now first we will see. Okay, we'll see the first we'll talk about the pre-steps.
Okay.
And next we'll see the steps. Okay, so
Okay.
now we are doing an SAP NetWeaver 7.0 installation based on SQL Server database. Okay, so in real-time scenario, how it will, in real-time scenario, you will get a requirement. Okay, you will get a project requirement. Okay, you need to install NetWeaver 7.0. Okay, with SQL Server. Okay, SQL Server 2008. Okay, on Windows operating system. Okay, this is the project requirement, you will get it. Okay, when this project requirement comes after, okay, after project meetings completion, after project meetings in the sense a high level project level meetings, they will decide which version we need to go and what is the database and what is the operating system and how many servers we required, development, quality and production, and what are the timelines and what are the go lives. Okay, once this has been done, then hardware will also be decided. Okay, once hardware has been done, decided, then OS admin, they will build the one operating system with the requirement of hardware. Okay, hardware in the sense, see, if it is a Windows operating system, okay, you can see, go to my computer, right click and properties, go to advanced settings, sorry, not here. See here, this is my Windows operating system hardware. This is my Windows operating system information, right? What is my Windows operating system? OS 2008 R2, Windows Server 2008 R2, and what is my memory? 16 GB memory. Okay, and what is my system type? 64-bit operating system. Okay, so there are different types of operating system types are there. One is 32-bit, another one is 64-bit. Okay, so What is my operating system type? It is a 64-bit operating system type. Okay. And what is my computer name? Means what is my computer name? This is my computer name, nwmss.idesk.com. And what is the work group? Okay. What is my work group? Work group means it is a local domain only. There is no domain has been created. If there is any domain has been created, it will display here the domain name. Okay. It will display as the domain name. First, what as a pre-step, the main pre-step, what we need to do, you need to check the operating system. Okay, operating system. In this scenario, which operating system we got? We got a Windows operating system, right? So in Windows operating system, what I need to check? Okay, what is my OS version and what is my RAM? Okay, and what is my system name and what is my domain name and how many CPUs are attached to this server? How many CPUs are attached to this server? Okay, that we can see here in manage. Yeah, see here. So this is CPU. How many CPUs are there? One, two, three, four, four core CPU, right? This is one, this is two, this is three, this is four. Okay, and total memory available. This is kernel memory. Kernel memory. This is kernel. Which kernel? OS related kernel. Okay. So in real time scenario, how CPUs are there? Okay. Four CPUs. Four CPUs in the sense. Okay. Each core CPU will act as a multi-thread. Okay. Will act as a multi-threading. Okay. So as a pre-step, we need to check this OS versions. So as a pre-step, we need to check the OS version. This is my first pre-step. Okay. In OS version, we know, okay, RAM, how much RAM is there. Okay, what is my system name? What is my domain name? Okay. Why domain name in the sense, okay, it will ask you whether you are installing your SAP system in your local domain or is there any domain. It will ask you at the time of SAP installation. So if you are not selected your domain name, then it will take as a local domain. It will take as a local domain. If you have a domain name, then we need to give our domain name. Okay. This we need to decide domain name whether we have a domain name or not. This we need to decide before starting the installation. So before starting the installation, we need to decide this information. Okay, and the second step in SAP older versions, okay, we required a J2 SDK. Okay, means Java Software Development Kit. Java Software Development Kit. Okay, what is a J2 SDK? It's a core Java function. It's required before starting our SAP installation. Okay, so it's a small application you can download from website. Some this Java is related to which software? It's a Oracle's own software, right? So you can download it from Oracle, or you can download it. You will get it from Google. Okay. So what J2 SDK I need to download? Okay, J2 SDK I need to download with respect to my operating system. My operating system is Windows, right? So I need to download J2 SDK for Windows, Windows 64-bit, okay? Windows 64-bit, because I have a 64-bit system. My operating system is 64-bit. So I need to download J2 SDK for Windows operating system 64-bit. Okay. You need to install J2 SDK, Java Software Development Kit. Okay. And the third step, once you have installed a Java on your operating system, okay, check whether Java has been installed or not, and check what is the version of Java. To check it, go to, if it is a Windows, we are talking about Windows operating system only. Okay. In Windows operating system, go to command prompt. Command prompt in the sense CMD. How you can go to the command prompt in Windows operating system? Go to start, go to run. Here I can type CMD, right? CMD, enter. This is my command prompt. Okay. Here how I can check whether my Java has been installed or not. Java, if you type Java, okay, so it is not installed right now. Okay, Java hyphen version, if you want to check the Java version. Okay, it is not installed. So in command prompt, check Java version. Okay, and next, once you Java install successfully, once you have checked Java installation has been completed successfully, then you need to set the environment variables. Okay, environment variables for which? For Java. Okay, we need to set the environment variables for Java. We install the Java, right? We need to set the environment variables. What environment variables means? We are creating our Java home directory variable, environment variable. Okay, we are creating Java environment variable, and we are mentioning where is my Java has been installed. Okay, where my Java has been installed, we are mentioning the path. Okay, so how we can mention the environment variable? So for this, you need to go to start, my computer, right click, properties, click on advanced system settings. Here environment variables, right? Click on environment variables. Okay, here I need to create Java underscore home, and here the value is I need to mention where my Java has been installed. Okay, got it? Here, one more environment variable is there, path. Okay, for path, go to edit mode. Okay, here you need to mention your path. Okay, Java installation path. Okay, these two we need to mention in environment variables. Why? Because my installation tool will check where is my Java. Okay, how my installation tool will check? It will check based on the environment variables only, variable name and variable value. Variable value in the sense that is the path of Java installation. I have mentioned the path of Java installation path. That is my environment variable value. Okay, my installation, it's a pre-check. It will check where is my Java installed. If you're not configured environment variable, then it will not go ahead. It will not go to the next step. Okay, it will give you a message. It will throw you an error. Environment variable is not set. Okay, what is the error? Environment variable is not set. This is regularly we will get this error in real-time scenario. Okay, environment variable is not set. Once your environment variable has been set, okay, in Windows operating system, you need to
Ramu,
install. Yes.
in environment variable, we just have to give the path, right? Java installation path.
Where you have installed a Java, that installation path you need to mention in environment variable. Okay, see here this is the variable, right? And this is the value,
Right.
right? Here I don't have a variable name. So I am creating one variable name. The variable name is Java underscore home. This is my environment variable name.
Okay.
Okay.
And is there
Here
means
I will
which
create a Java underscore. Yeah,
which Java version we have
tell
to
me.
install based on any requirement means.
Yeah, we will see that. Okay,
Okay, okay.
which version we are going to install. Okay, just now I'm telling what are the pre-steps we need to do. Okay,
Okay.
after the practically we will go one by one. Okay, there is no rush. Okay, so uh, what I am my suggestion is, see, this installation I will tell you a bit slow. Okay, once this has been done, okay, you will get these classes, right? So based on this you will get a server access also. Okay,
Right.
once you get a server access, okay, once you get the server access, that is a clean server. Okay, it is not installed anything, just they will copy the software and they will hand out the server to you. Okay,
Okay.
so follow all the pre-steps. Okay, pre-steps in the sense, from here onwards, checking the operating system, what is my RAM, what is my domain name, what how many CPUs are there. Okay, starting from pre-steps onwards, prepare a document from, okay, as your from your side. Prepare a document, each and every person, I am telling you. Okay, all everybody. Okay, when you are doing installation by your own, prepare a document. Okay, very neat, and write a comment on each and every screen. Write a comment what you are doing on that screen. Okay, then it will help you if you if you are revisioning, if you are going to revise the document in the next year, you will easily identify the information. Okay,
Okay.
so now I am not taking any screenshots. Okay, if I have taken the screenshots, I am writing the comment lines again, it will take a lot of time. Okay, always I'm going slow. Okay, if you are if I am preparing a document, again it will take a week's time to install one server only. Okay, maximum this will complete 2 or 3 classes. We'll complete this. Okay. So when you are installing by your own, create your own document.
Yeah,
Okay,
but
that is my suggestion.
yeah, Ramu, actually, we are going, means we are just looking into it right now. So, but after the where when we are going to install, we will miss some parts. So, you can just take a screenshot. No need to mention the comments. So we can just get a overview.
See, if you are facing any errors, na, so at that time you can ping me. We have some WhatsApp group, right? At that time you can
Yes.
ping me and I can guide you. See
Okay.
why I'm not giving a screenshot in a sense by your hands-on experience. See, first time it will some difficult to do
Right.
to set the, for example, environment variable. I don't know how to set. Okay, first time you will get some difficult. It will take 10 minutes to find this environment variable settings. Okay, and the second time, if you first time if you struggle, then second time usually you can identify within a fraction of seconds. You know where is my environment variable settings in available in operating system. Okay, if I given a screenshot, then what we will do, not only you, everyone, our mentality is we will see the screen and we will go to the next, we will click on next, we will see the screen, we will click on next. So just you will follow my screenshot, that's it. But you will not understand anything, okay?
Okay.
Just do by your own. No, not a big deal. Okay, server access with you only, right? So we have server access, no problem. We can do any n number of times installation. Okay,
Okay.
or if anyone is doing, then better if anyone you are doing. For example, Hari is doing installation. Okay, then put a one time slot. Okay, share your screen, Hari, and then you can do the installation steps, and we will see, and we will let you know if you are facing any issue, or we will let you know if you are missed step. Okay, that's not a big deal.
Okay.
Okay, so this is my environment variable step. Okay, and one more step is, if it is a Windows operating system, you need to install database first. Database first. So in this scenario, what is my database? SQL Server, right? So after our pre-steps, we need to install database SQL Server. We need to install. Okay. So these are the mandatory steps, pre-steps. And first step is checking operating system, right? So as in a real-time scenario, before checking the operating system also, there is one more mandatory step is there. Okay, as a basis consultant, this is the best practice. Okay, what it is once OS admin has been hand over operating system to basis consultant, what we need to cross check? We need to cross check whether IP, are you able to successfully connect or not. Okay, sometimes it will connect. Okay, sometimes it will not connect. You will face a remote connectivity issues, or if the client have any VPN, sometimes some clients will have a private network. Okay, okay, once you connect to the private network, then only you are able to connect to clients servers only. Okay, we need to cross check the IP, and we need a admin user credentials, right? Admin user means Windows operating system. What is the admin user? Administrator is my admin user. Okay, so I required a password for this administrator. Okay, these information you need to cross check before starting the installation. Okay, this is the mandatory. And before starting the installation, what you will do is, in service marketplace, SMP means service marketplace. In service marketplace, we need to download installation master guide. Installation master guide. If you are doing any upgrade, so upgrade master guide. These guides will be available in service marketplace. Okay, we will check in where when we are accessing service marketplace. Just remember me. Okay, I will tell you where the guides will be available. Okay, so SAP suggested before starting any installation, before going to do any upgrades, just go through the installation master guide. Just go through the upgrade master guide. Why? Because there are some pre-checks will be there. Okay, pre-checks and which SAP nodes you need to follow. This information SAP has been given. Okay, so SAP always suggests go through the installation guide and after that start your installation. Go through your master guide and after that start your upgrade. Okay, these two mandatory things as a basis consultant. Okay, so now we have the pre-steps has been completed here, right? So now we will see J2 SDK version. Okay, the software has been kept in here. In MISC. See, J2 SDK for Windows AMD 64-bit, and this is Windows. This is for Windows. Okay, J2 SDK. Okay, AMD 64-bit. What is this? Start computer properties. This is not a AMD system, right? No. Okay, this is our J2 SDK 140. Right click, run as administrator. Welcome to the install shell wizard Java to SDK SE 1.4.0 J2 SDK. Okay, go to the next. Do you accept all the terms? Yes.
Uh, Ramu, do we have
Yes.
any prerequisite which version to install and which is not to install for Java?
For Java minimum, we need to install a one 132.142. 1.4 is minimum required. Okay, Java version 1.4 is minimum required. In 1.4 we have a different types of versions like 1.4 to 31, 1.4 to 36, like that. Okay.
Right.
So by default Java will be installed in C drive. If you want, you can change it. But in Windows operating system, all my operating system related softwares and all my softwares will be installed in C drive only. Okay. So by default, it will take a C drive. So go to the C drive. Libraries and executables for the Java 2 SDK tools. native information demos, Java success. Just see the screen and see the information, what it is saying. Okay. Microsoft Internet Explorer, Netscape 6. Java 2 SDK version 1.0 setup is performing the requested operations. In C drive it is installing. So click on finish. Okay. Go to run command prompt. So now with here it's not coming right. Java hyphen version Java C. Go to the C programs here. J2 SDK 1.4. My all Java related binaries are there. Right? Go to CMD, type Java or Java C, sorry, Java C. Java C is a compiler, Java compiler, okay, and Java hyphen version. What is my version? 140. Okay. In C drive, my J2 SDK 1.4 has been installed. So go to the binaries. These all are my executable files, all my binary files. Okay, here I have my Java compiler. Java C is my Java compiler. Means if there is any program, the programs will be compiler using Java C. Okay, so go to the bin and here select this. See, from here I want to go to the command prompt. Okay, in this location C J2 SDK 1.4 and bin. In this location I want to go to CMD command prompt. Then how I can go? First click on this path. Okay, you will get highlighted, right? And there don't click anything, just type CMD. Okay, don't click anything, just type CMD and enter. So ultimately you are in which location? C J2 SDK 1.4 in that bin directory. Got it? Otherwise you need to go to the manually start, run. Okay, again you need to type CMD. So by default I am in C user administrator. So I want to go to J2 SDK and bin directory, right? So CD J2 SDK. So manually you need to go to the like this. Okay, change directory J2 SDK and CD bin. Okay, without that we can go like this. Okay, here I can check my Java version. How can I check my Java version? Java space hyphen version. Okay, this is my Java version. Okay, if you want to exit, if you want to exit from command prompt, then type exit. Okay. So now after installation my J2 SDK, what I need to do? I need to set environment variable, right? So for that, go to my computer, go to properties, click on advanced settings, here click on environment variables. Okay, in environment variables, here I don't have my Java environment variable, so I need to create a new variable. Click on new. Okay, what is my variable name? Caps letters. Okay, Java underscore home. Okay, where this Java underscore home is there? Where? In this is my Java home. Okay, C colon J2 SDK 1.4.0. This you need to copy here. The path of Java home, Java installation directory. Okay, click on OK. Now I got a variable name Java underscore home. J2 SDK 1.4. Okay, and next in system variables, come to path variable. Come to the path variable. Click on edit. Okay, just click here and go to the last. Go to the last. Okay, just put uh, semicolon. Here I need to mention where are my binaries are there. Java binaries, where are my Java binaries are there? My Java binaries up to here. See J2 SDK 1.4.0 and in binaries. Okay, so select this path, select the path and go to here. Here don't edit anything. Okay, come to the last and semicolon. After that, just put Control V. So this is my J2 SDK 1.4.0/bin. Okay, this is my path. Java binaries executable, binaries means executable files path. In I need to mention in system variables. I need to mention in system variables. Okay, these two environment variables we need to set. Okay, and we'll try to install a SQL server. We'll try to install database server. Where is my database software has been kept? In C, not C drive, in E drive. Network 7.0 SR3. I think MISC. This one, SQL Server 2008. So this script we need to run. Okay, this script we need to run. SQL for SAP to install MS SQL Server. This is my SQL Server version. What is my SQL Server version? 2008. Okay, in that which script I need to run? SQL4 for SAP. SQL4 for SAP. Right click, open,